Alright, Nissan Altima Midnight SR. Oil pan, they had hit something there. You see a little leaky now. Whatever they hit, it's nice and hard. Okay, some more damage, but we're just concentrating on the oil pan. First, what is it? I think it's 17 we got here. 19 millimeter. Take the oil plug out. We're going to drain the transmission first. Get it drained out. 10 millimeter. Yeah. Pop these guys out. All the way around it. Get them all out. All right, and then the oil pan's down. You've got magnets in it. You got to take the magnets out, and they'll go on the new one in the nubs. We're going to take and wipe these down real good. Make sure there's no big debris. A little bit of fuzz is all right. Just wipe it off, get it all cleaned out, and get it, back in the new pan. Once you get them all wiped off real good, we're going to go on these 3 nubbins right here, just like so. There's the part number for the oil pan. Got your magnets in place. Part number for the gasket. I'll put these in the description below. Just click the links. Get down here good and cleaned up. Make sure there's no debris or anything fun down in here. This would be the bolt that we after we get it all on, we'll fill it up, and then we'll take this bolt out while it's running, and then park, and it'll drain until it's there's like a straw inside here, and when it's running, it'll let the fluid out until it gets to the top of that straw, which is the full mark. All right, and then we gotta get this guy on. You're gonna have little nubbins. It's not going to stay up there, but it'll fit on the nubbin and then fit on another nubbin there, and you'll line the pan up with it. So let's get her on there. So they're kind of lined up, and put the pan in place. 2 bolts on it. I'll need both hands to do this. So all right, you get all of them tightened up. Don't use the impact, you'll snap the heads off of them. Get them all up in there, nice and snug tight. I don't remember what it calls for, but you get it good and tight. You can look up the torque. It's 5 millimeter is the bolt size. 10 millimeter head, but 5 millimeter bolt size. You can Google it. 15 foot-pounds, 10 foot-pounds, something small. Right now, just make sure you got a oil pan plug. Make sure that's in. Make sure it's tight. It's nice and tight. All right. So using a pick, this is top of your fill tube. You got a little flap right there. Got to get your pick in and kind of squeeze it down and pull it out. I don't know if you can see it in there. See? Gonna go that way with the flap. This way. That's inside of there. Alright. Alright. I'm doing 5 quarts of NS3. I'll put them in the description. Just click the link. Before we pick it up, we gotta start it up. Getting ahead of ourselves. And leave it in park and running. Lift it up in the air, or if you got it in ramps, that's all right. You can do it on ramps. And it'll be 14 millimeter. So this guy here, take it free, get her out. All right, it is drizzling, so we did get it full. Just gonna let that run until it starts kind of dripping. If it didn't drizzle any out, you need to add more to it. Put another quart or two in it. It's drizzling out. That's pretty well it. No big deal. Plug it back up. And that's it. She's full. I'm going to drop her back. We'll put the pan back on her. The little skid plate back on her. You know, I got mostly undone and just bungee that thing. Tighten it down. Nice snuggy on these both hands. Yeah, I'm going to put this pan back on. Drop her back down. Pull out. This thing goes right back in. Alright guys, this helped you out in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'll put all the parts in the description below. Click the link. Peace.